Hi everyone, it's Mindy from MommyMouseClubhouse.com, and today we are going to be making an easy 7-layer dip, which is perfect for those game day parties coming up, or really any type of get-together. This bean dip is perfectly paired with your favorite brand of crunchy tortilla chips. Now make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any new recipes, and let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. 16 ounces of refried beans, 8 ounces of prepared guacamole, 8 ounces of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning, 1.5 cups of salsa, 2 cups of shredded Mexican blend cheese, 1 chopped Roma tomato, and 1/2 bunch of chopped green onions. Begin by adding the refried beans to a mixing bowl. Then add about 2 tablespoons of the sour cream. Mix the beans and the sour cream together until they are smooth and creamy. Spread the bean mixture in the bottom of a 9-inch pie pan or an 8x8 square baking dish. Next, spread the guacamole over the beans layer. You can use pre-made guacamole or make your own by mashing 2 avocados with 1 tablespoon of lime juice and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add the remaining sour cream to a mixing bowl and combine the sour cream with the taco seasoning. Spread the sour cream mixture over the guacamole. For the salsa layer, add the salsa to a strainer over a bowl and use a spoon to push out the excess liquid. This will keep your dip from becoming runny. Then spread the salsa over the sour cream mixture. Next, sprinkle the shredded cheese over the top of the salsa. And finally, top the cheese with the diced tomatoes and the diced green onions. Serve this dip at your next get-together with a bag of tortilla chips and you will be the hit of the party. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do. The full recipe will be in the description, as well as a link to the printable version at MommyMouseClubhouse.com. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.